Hello, Dan here with another quick clip. Today I want to talk about Black Hawk gift cards, and you could use it probably for any other type of gift cards as well. As you can see in the departments, you'll just put what you're wanting to look for, which in this environment, we're going to look at Black Hawk gift cards. And you can also see this is something that I've already built. So again, you just use your load where you've saved everything and auto-populate it. We're just going to look at the last 7 days. And I know a lot of people look at gift cards primarily around the holidays, but in my realm, I look at it all the time. I like to look at, any time of the year to go ahead and just keep a pulse on it because there's a lot of opportunities that could happen, whether it be training issues or whether it could be integrity concerns. So I like to go ahead and look at it throughout the entire year. So I've already ran this report. Let's kind of go ahead and look at our results. So as you can see, really what I'm looking for is either high dollar on the transaction where there might be multiple, or I'm looking for refunds. So in this scenario, it looks like there's several refunds. So I want to go ahead and look at these transactions. And you can see it is actually a Blackhawk refund. You have all your information right here so you can check video, you can see what's going on. And then just make sure that the cashier did the refund correctly so that you're not charged any additional fees as it relates to the gift card company or Blackhawk in this situation. See if we got another one. So yeah, you can see another one here as well. And if we look back, you can see we've already got two from the same store. So maybe there is a training opportunity from the store. We have one right here, a different store number in this demo environment, and then a fourth. So maybe there's something going on. Maybe we need to refresh with the company, and that can go ahead and ensure that training is being done properly. So again, I hope you found this quick tip helpful. And if you have any additional questions, feel free. Always put it down below or contact us directly. Thanks. Have a good day.